such a mess right now. I'm gonna first spray my face with this Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. It's a hydrating and radiance spray. And it's from Glow Recipe. This thing smells so good and you do have to shake it. Ow, this thing smells so good. So I'm gonna spray my face with this first. It has watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid, hibiscus flower, and one more thing, I'm not sure, but it feels really good on the skin. Next, I've never used this before. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Prime. Never used it. We'll see how it works. And it's pink. So I guess I'm gonna take a couple drops. Well, that's really pink. Feels very watery. I don't like the smell. I guess it kind of does smell like flowers, I guess. Really strong though. I think I'm gonna use a foundation from Makeup Forever. It's the Matte Velvet Skin, and I'm in the color Y245, if I can find my brush. I don't have the brush that I usually use, so I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush. Put a little bit on there. I'm not even really sure what I'm gonna do on my eyes yet. I know I'm gonna do something green, and I just took out like every green eye product that I have, and I'm gonna try to figure something out. Concealer, I'm going to take this Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the color Biscotti. Don't mind my nails because I really need to get a new set, but my guy has been on vacation for like almost 2 months. Straight. I'm not even playing when I say I should start doing my own nails, because they must be making some kind of bank to be able to go on vacation every other month for a month straight. He literally goes on vacation every other month and is gone for at least a month. How? How? I don't know how they do it. Probably because they keep raising their prices. That's probably why. I think I'm the only one that feels like $45. My hair is just totally sticking up. $45 for a new set is just crazy. Especially when I need to get them done every 2 weeks because my nails grow so fast. But he's finally back, so I'm gonna go in a couple days. Before I move on, I'm going to set under my eyes because they will crease on me. Hopefully I don't play myself and get all kinds of fallout under my eyes. That's really the only place I'm going to set. I'm just, whatever's left on here, I'm just kind of going over my face. So I'm going to be working off 2 palettes today. This is the old Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to take this orange, yellowy orange color, and I'm going to apply that into my crease with the Sigma E38 blending brush. And I'm just going to pack it on until I get the intensity that I want. And the next palette that I'm going to take is the Dream palette from Sigma, which is available. Again, it's restocked. I'm going to take the green, the matte green shade, and I'm going to apply that with the Sigma E25? No, E35 blending brush. No, yeah, it's an E25. 25 blending brush into my crease again. And again, working that until I get the intensity that I want. I'm going to just keep packing it on until I get the intensity that I want. Kind of just not really caring about how blended the bottom is, just the top. And then I'm going to go back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take the darkest green with the same brush, but a different brush. So an E25 from Sigma. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing, run it into my crease, but just not go that high up because I don't want to cover up those 2 colors on the top. And then next I'm going to go back into the other palette and use the green shimmery color from that palette. And I wanted something a lot darker, but it turns out I don't own a lot of green eyeshadow products. These are basically the ones that I had.
So I applied that all over, and then I'm going to put a glitter on top. This is from Coastal Scents, and again, I immediately regretted this glitter because it was very Christmassy, like a Christmas green glitter. I wanted something darker, but I did not have anything. So I applied glitter glue and then applied this glitter on top, and then I went over it with the dark green shadow I used in the crease just to darken it up a little bit because it was too green. So I just went over it a little bit. And then on my lower lash line, I applied that same dark green and blended it out. And then to blend it out even further, I added a little bit of the transition shade in the beginning to the bottom. And then for my waterline, what I did with the other eyes, I first went in with a green, but I thought it was just too green. So I went over with black on top, and I just kind of did it to this eye just because I did it to the other eye, so I just did the same thing. And then I went in with the Dream palette again with the shimmery, I don't know what color this is, but yeah, a shimmery shade, and I just applied that to the inner corner.
I have glitter all over my face. I'm going to use this Cover FX palette. This came in this month's BoxyCharm. I will have a link in the description box for BoxyCharm to sign up. It came with this. You get 5 full-size products every month. These 2 brushes right here, which I'm going to use, and then this lipstick. Is it lipstick or lips? Yeah, liquid lipstick. And then this really pretty, I can't wait to use this. It's a liquid eyeshadow, but seriously, look at that. It looks so pretty. That, 1, 2, 3, 4, and something else, I don't have it. It's a lift and peel off mask, I think it said. I haven't tried it yet, but I think I'm gonna try it tonight. This color right here, what is this called? Perfector face palette. I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm gonna use everything in here. I'm gonna use this to warm up my face, and I'm gonna use the blush and also this highlighter right here. Yeah, this highlighter right here. Pretty color. That's cool. My hair is just sticking straight up. So if you want to sign up for BoxyCharm, I will have a link. I think it's the last I would say 6 months. I haven't been disappointed with it at all. There's always something big, and the box only costs $21 with free shipping. This palette alone would cost more than $21. So it's totally worth it. They have good brands in there. We've had MAC, Tarte, Too Faced. We got a lot of good brands in there. So even if you wanted it for that one item like this palette, you can get it totally cheaper through BoxyCharm. Okay, I'm gonna clean up a little bit with the number 03 Milani banana powder. I'm going to use that to contour my nose too, because it's not that much of a warm tone that I can't use it, so. I'm going to wipe off, I'm going to wipe off this powder before I forget. Gonna lightly dab into it. And then I'm gonna use this brush for the highlighter. It's a brightener one, so I may use that one too, but I'm gonna first try the highlighter. I'm gonna take a little bit of the highlighter. What is it called? Brightener. Brightener. I don't think I got anything out from my lips, so I have a Lancome lipstick right here in 254. I don't know. It's here, so I'm gonna use it. Lancome 254 something something Rouge. I don't really have time to change it because my camera's gonna die.